In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a task as completed in Clickup. This simple action can enhance your productivity and ensure you stay organized with your task management. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the list, board, or space where the task you want to mark as completed is located. If you're not yet familiar with these terms, in Clickup, a list is essentially a collection of tasks within a folder, a board is a visual representation of your task's workflow, and a space is the highest level of organization, housing everything from projects to individual tasks. So whether you're visual or prefer a more structured list, find your way to where your task resides. Once you've located the section where your task is, you'll need to click on the task itself to open its details. This action brings up everything related to the task on your screen, including comments, deadlines, attachments, and more. It's like opening a file on your computer. You're about to dig deeper into what's going on with that particular item. This step is critical because it's here you'll have the opportunity to update or view any additional information related to the task before marking it as complete. Now, within the task details, direct your attention to the small checkbox positioned to the left of the task name at the top of this window. This checkbox is your tool for marking the task complete. It's a simple but powerful feature within Clickup. Clicking this box is like ticking off an item on your to-do list, a small action that provides a great sense of accomplishment. When you check this box, you're signaling to Clickup and perhaps to your team as well that this task requires no further action. It's done and dusted. Once you've clicked the checkbox, you'll notice that the task will automatically move to a completed status. This feature provides both a visual confirmation and a record of your accomplishment. In Clickup, once a task is marked completed, it's out of the active task view but still accessible if you ever need to go back and reference it. This function helps to declutter your task lists while keeping information handy if you need it later. And there you have it. Marking a task as completed in Clickup is as simple as navigating, clicking, and checking a box. Remember, this seemingly small action adds up in managing tasks efficiently, promoting productivity, and ensuring a well-organized workflow. Through this straightforward process, you keep your workspace neat and focused on what's next. Thanks for following along, and happy task completing.